Yo, what's good YouTube? I was just recording a little debunking video. I just wanted to apologize because throughout the video there's you could hear me coughing a lot and my nose was really stuffy. I actually am sick right now, so bear with me, but I hope y'all enjoy the video regardless. Oh yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to beat my boy Kaden or something. I don't know in subscribers right now. Alright, yo, what's good guys? So today we're just gonna be playing debunking
on my rifle build.
1178 elo. Kind of low, but it's what it is. I've been on the losing streak. Let's get some dubs in there, chat. Let me check my frames. Yeah, that's good frames. Alright, let's see. I can see my build. Yeah, I play rifle. I really like rifle. It's versatile and stuff. Okay. Yo, this animations are tweaking. Hold up. Got him. Guys to bend that. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's why I like rifle too, because it's they think they're out of your range, but you can actually still hit them. It's really, if you want to get good at debunk, it's all about ranging. See how I was ranging him right there? Gotta get good at that. See, I'm not even that good at parrying, honestly. I just I feel I position myself well. But then again, I'm not that good, so. I'm really just showing y'all this build right now. Wait, hold up. Also, commentating, makes me worse, but I don't really care. Yo, hello? I was parrying this. Hold up, locking guy. I always get him on that. Oh, he isn't prepared for this. Yeah, that was kind of fast. It's about ranging. I get out of his range so he can't hit me, but I get in his range so I hit him. It's really all it's about. You also sometimes miss your M1s. It's better than fainting, because it's missing your M1s is better than fainting, because they usually fall for more. Also, I feel fainting kind of puts you on I don't know. Every time I faint, I feel sped afterwards. And keep in mind, I'm not even good at parrying. I'm not gonna lie, I would have won this by now, but I was kind of trolling. See, then you get out of his range, so it's he can't even fight back. You just comboed him, and it's you can't do anything about it still. This guy's build isn't that good though. It's pretty mid. Most of the time you fight mage demons. He's out of vent now. Yeah, I killed him. GG. GG. We'll get into it. It's 1v1. I guess I could just go over the build a little bit. I don't have the preshrine stats right now. I'll probably put it up on the screen.
Damn, that brother stuttering.
Yeah, we go reinforced armor. One thunder call for jolt grab. Contractor. Yeah, what else? I can look at all the talents here. So it's pretty good. It's my best build right now for PvP. I don't know why. I have an issue fighting crit blades. The Surf Flame's crit blade. That's mad interesting. favoritism. Yo, shit. Yo, ignoring the feint is devious. What's this kid on? Kids like this that you feel like aren't fighting you, you have to like spit on them a lot. Not only does it piss them off, but you gain a lot of HP from it. Like, see, I'm full. Because of like how strangely this kid plays. I guess he was looking for that combo, but it doesn't even do that much, as y'all see. Yeah, he's kind of doing damage. Hold up. Hold up now. Hold up now. Hold up now. Hold up now. What the freak is happening? Hello, Zimmy. I'm there. He has a lot of erudition though. Watch this. Oh my gosh, so cooked. Doesn't have that much HP. You're probably because you went Azure Flames, bro. Like what? Alright. Anyways. Yeah, 6 vitality, 6 proficiency. I never go erudition. Unless I'm a mage build. But I never go erudition because I feel like it's a waste. You could be putting it into like 6 vitality. I mean, I always get max 6 vitality. Proficiency and like song chant, it's just better than erudition in my opinion. It's not that hard. Interesting. Oh. 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 This guy's an interesting fella, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not losing this though. Y'all are finna see. Okay, that's like weird as hell, bro. Okay. This guy's actually an oddball. It's kind of my fault though, like I was saying. Alright. I thought I parried that. Yo. Yo. Nah, this is ridiculous. Yo. I sold to this guy so hard, bro. I was hoping I'd go against the same guy. Like, in Epoch and Chime, you really can't dilly-dally. Like, you always have to be locked in, if you know what I mean. Golly. Where's he running? Yo. He has a light weapon? This guy really is all ball. That's another thing about depoking Sean. It was like you really get a lot of everything on here. Like sometimes you'll fight these fairy demons. Other times you'll fight like those mage builds. That's a slaughter. I'm trying to see you this weekend. Same guy? Let's see if he stands on business this time though. I'm Molly. Like, yo, like, what are you doing, bro? Yo. Are you human? He just wants to hit me with that one rail blade crit. Like, bro. Nice, bro. Easy one. I don't know how he's dodging those hits, by the way. Oh, bro, my nose is so itchy. I have to fight this bum. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, bro. Listen, when you fight people like this, you just have to start playing like this. What is this? Like, what are you doing, bro? Like, get real, bro. Like, what are you doing? Yo, I'll block that. Like, bro, I'm not even near you. What are you parrying? This bum kid, bro. Yo, that can't be the last one, bro. I got 1,200, but I gotta play another one, bro. That guy was actually weird. Like, I don't know what he was doing, bro. Oh, now my weapon does more damage, huh? Locked in. Come on, bro. Curved blade. Let's see. Usually these guys are parry demons. This guy's not a parry demon. Yeah, this guy's pretty. Whole lot of trash. Yo, what the hell? Yo, like what? Yo. Let's get this straight, bro. Okay, nah, we gotta do another 1v1, bro. That was hideous. Come on, guy. Aw, don't tell me he's finna be one of those kids. Yeah. He's gonna be like, I'm gonna wait for all your buffs to run out. Like, yo, kid's such a nerd. I'm gonna wait for gaze to turn off. I literally told y'all he was gonna be one of those. Yo, that's funny as hell. It's off. Tempo is at 40, bruh. It's not that deep. So I can put you in a 5-bar combo? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I like this guy. Yo, where's he running? Hello? He already missed his vent. Not off to a good start. Okay. When it's green like that, it just heals him. Doesn't give him any buffs. I don't know what he was cooking. He was full HP anyways. Why do I have this red stuff on me? Wait, what? Where's that from? Yo. This kid's an interesting specimen. Yo. Nah. What was that? No. What was that? No, this kid has a 1 column. Uh-oh. Is it starting? I don't know. I don't even know how he did that other time. Chill, gang. This guy's interesting. What's he doing? What? He's losing right now. What is he doing, bro? Okay, I probably shouldn't air swing, because then you can't parry. Uh-oh. Is it starting? Yo, I'm scared. Get away from me. Oh no, I'm chilling. He didn't even take a bar off. Is this kid all bark, no bite? I How did you face the wind? Yo, chill. I'm fine, bruh. I probably did more damage to him. Oh, he can't parry. Oh, he can't parry. The reason I don't shoot at him directly is because I know he's just finna like move. This kid's buns. Oh my gosh. Wait. This kid's kind of trash. Storm cheese. Uh-oh. This kid's buns, bro. Bro, did all that for what? Hold up. Wait, was it just me or my ether went down? This guy a mic? I'm finna talk to him after I knock him. What are you doing, bro? What are you shooting? I'm not shooting, bro. I'm not hitting this guy at all. This guy's buns, bro. Nah, that little thing right there where he like pulled me back. That's how he does his one combo, I think. Chill, bro. Chill. Alright, no, I'm fine. Nice one, bro. Why not? You gonna kill me? No, he's just gonna run around. I'm 0 ether, bro. This guy's buns. I feel bad for this person. Yo, if I was trash at deep poking, this would probably be me right now. Uh-oh. Actually, get me there. Yo, like, what is he doing? This guy's a strange person. Just does that every time. I parry, then he uppercuts. That's what he does every time, bro. Come on, bro. You gotta put up a better fight than this. I'm dead. No, I'm not. This kid sucks, bro. He's dead. He literally killed himself. Oh, never mind. Yo. I feel bad for you, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to go through that. Wait. Oh, my mic is on. Okay. Well, guys, that's Deep Poke and Charm, I guess. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace out, gang. Hey, if y'all made it to the end, I just want to thank y'all. More videos will be coming soon. I'm on winter break right now, so I have a lot of spare time to make YouTube videos, so definitely expect some more. Whether it be deep poking or whatever, just let me know in the comments. I'll probably make a video on the game that you suggest in the comments below, so go ahead and suggest a video, and yeah, I'll make a video on it. See ya.